And I remember going all the way back to my freshman year in college. I was at the University of Alabama. I was brand new on the speech and debate team. I mean, brand new. I didn't even know my teammates. This guy must be angry with me. But I don't know. And I'm on this competition. And the context doesn't really matter, but I had to go up and give a speech, not for the competition. I was ready for that, but I had to go give up another speech because the person who was going to do it couldn't do it, so I had to go do it, and I was brand new and I didn't know the thing. So it was about this other guy on our team, and I had to basically pitch this other guy on our team and say he would be great for whatever this position was. I don't really remember all the details, and I had no idea who this guy was. So I start like talking about him, but I don't know who he is. And I'm trying to think of things that are good about him because that was the whole point. And I had just met him a few days ago. And I remember when I shook his hand, he gave a really strong handshake. So in the speech, I said, and so is blah, blah, blah. And, you know, when you shake his hand, he gives a really strong handshake. And the whole crowd laughed. And they weren't laughing with me. It was a laughing at situation, you know. And I remember being really embarrassed in that moment.